In today's video, I'll show you how you can get the first month for free on Manychat Pro Plan. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go here by using our link in the description so that you'd be able to get this offer. So you would get 100% off your first month of the Pro Plan. Once you're here, click on get your 100% discount. Now, next is that you would now need to sign in into Manychat by either continuing with your Google account or Facebook account, whichever you prefer. And now, once you're signed in and you have connected your first account, you will now be prompted here where you can see that you can get pro features for free for 14 days. But don't worry, that will be 30 days after we follow this process. So now from here, click on Activate Pro Plan or Pro Trial. Now, you just need to input your payment details. So I'm just going to input mine in a bit. And now you should see that your trial is now activated right here after you have provided your payment method. And now let's just go and complete this starter questions from Manychat. And let's see. And now to see our subscription, is just we want to click here on settings on the left side. And now you'd want to go into billing right here. As you can see right here, the next billing date would be at 6 months on the 30th, which is June 30. And as of today, it is currently May 31. So yeah, this is 1 month free trial right here. Although what's indicated beforehand was only 14 days, if you remember, right? But because you used our link in the description, you will get 1 month instead. So make sure to use it right now when you would want to try out Manychat. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.